Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher time! Hello boys, how are you guys doing today? Are you okay guys? Because yesterday, only Bud and Word came. Where were Robert, Noah, and Leo? You guys were staying home all day long? Yes? I was wondering where you guys were. Anyways, guys, the coronavirus is everywhere. Again, your teacher is very, very angry at coronavirus. It doesn't stop. It goes everywhere now. So you guys have to wash your hands very clean, okay? Wash my hands, remember that song your teacher taught you? Yes? You have to wash your hands very clean and wear your mask properly, okay? In the classroom as well, okay? Anyways, in the classroom, no water from now on because of the coronavirus. Okay. Anyways, guys, today we're gonna learn about the long I words, long I sound words together. Okay. So everybody, this one first. Okay. So boys, this one sounds like your teacher said only the A sounds like right? But this is the long I sound. Long I sound, okay? This is a long I sound with the magic E. This is called magic E. Magic E. Magic E, okay? This is a magic E. A, C, E sounds like S, okay? C sounds like k, but C and the magic E sounds like S, okay? C and the magic E sounds like S. So this is a long A. This is A sound, okay? And what about this one? This is A. E doesn't sound anything. This is a magic E. Okay? What about this one? This is Got it? Alright, so let me see if you can read the words with long A's words. Okay, so let's go over the ape word first, okay? See, this is ape, but this is k, right? What is k? Ape, cape. How easy is this? This is ape. And what about this one? This is ape, but T sounds like t. Ape, tape. Got it? All right. So what about, let's go over the ache sound. This is ache. K, ache. What is k, ache? Cake. Got it? It's easy. B, ache, bake. B, ache, bake. And this is l, ache, lake. L, ache, lake. And let's go over the ace words together. Ready? This is ace, right? Your teacher says C and the magic E sounds like S. So this is ace, ace, race. Are you following, Robert? Yes? Ace, race. And this is ace, face. Leo, Noah, are you following, right? Ace, face. This one is ace, lace. Got it? Ace, lace. Very good. Okay, so you guys went over all the long I words now. Word picture cards. So your teacher's gonna introduce the good word, the activity good word for who's this? This is Noah's work. Noah did an excellent work. See? He did an excellent work. This is shoelace, and this is face. Very nice, right? I think Noah wants to color a little bit special on A. Very good. And this is so good. And I think this is, world. Look at words activity. Very nice. World, this is ape, cape, and tape, and world was trying to color the rainbow ape sound, right? Very nice. Excellent. So boys, Leo and Noah and Robert, you guys missed the class. So you guys have to review one more time with your teacher, okay? With the video clip. Watch one more time, okay? All right, so don't forget A's and A and A words, okay? All right, so boys, today, this week, there's no writing dictation homework. So just do whatever your teacher gave you this week. Do your homework, finish it up, and bring it to your teacher on Monday. All right, guys? All right. Have a safe weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye-bye. Be careful. Coronavirus is everywhere right now. Wash your hands very clean, okay, guys? Bye-bye.